What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we are going to be trying to mess with the wire harness, guys, for the 72. Before we open that up, hold on, let's go out here and look. So I'm going to, there go the kids, by the way. Yeah.
Got the dogs out.
I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do this. I really need to get the transmission in there first before I start on the wiring, but I need to make some room over here, guys, so I can work my way around the vehicle. As y'all can see, I got motor parts everywhere. So I think I'm gonna clean this out first, move some of all this stuff out of the way, and get ready to get to it. Y'all see, it's a little dusty right now, but everything's been repainted. Got the headers on. We just need to wire this thing up, get the transmission in there and stuff, guys. So my buddy brought me a different drive line. We're just gonna try to see if we can get one to work for now till we get one built, because eventually this thing is gonna have turbos on it. So we want a stout drive line, stout rear end. But for now, we're just trying to get it rolling. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a top it. This young is so fly, like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright, first thing first, guys, we're gonna get all these batteries. Get rid of them. We got batteries everywhere. Alright, we got one more right there. Good batteries, guys. Gotta get rid of them. Yeah. Woo. They heavy. Alright, mom's trying to back out and she don't know what she's doing. We'll turn y'all back on here in a minute. Two more. There's probably some more around here somewhere. Alright, guys, that's all the batteries. I'm gonna just go send these to the disposal, and then we'll clean the rest of the stuff up on the side of the house. See y'all in a little bit. Got all the batteries loaded up, so I found like an extra 2. So we're gonna go see what they'll give us for them. I'm not too much worried about it, I just need it out of my way. Then we'll get the rest of the engine parts out the way, man, and see if we can get started and get to work. Alright, we just left AutoZone. They gave us 50 bucks for 5 batteries, so not a bad deal, you know. They're just sitting there taking up space, so pretty good deal. We'll get to the house and clean up the rest of the area where I can work my way in there so we can get started on this thing. Everybody been waiting on the 72, so we're gonna try to get it going, guys. At least get it to turn over and stuff. We still got a lot of work to do. New fuel tank, radiator, alternator. A lot of work to do, guys. We're gonna get there though. We'll see y'all back at the house. Alright, we got the batteries done. Now I gotta get all this stuff cleared out so I can walk through here. These dang intakes and stuff. I don't even know why I kept this stuff. Because even if I do rebuild that motor right there, I'm not putting this on there, back on there. Golly. That sucker heavy. I might need some of these sensors though while I'm throwing it. Hate throwing stuff away. I just buy new sensors, guys. So I ain't finna, yeah. Either way, I still gotta move all this stuff out of the way, so. Hold on, I gotta put y'all down. All right. Wind, I always want to start blowing when we start recording. The boys supposed to be helping me, but I'm hungry. So we're gonna let them eat real quick. Now the heads, I gotta keep the heads, and we'll see what else. I think I gotta keep that to hold the alternator and all that, and power steering. But I gotta clear out enough, that way I can walk through here and mess with this harness. So we ain't gonna need none of this crap. All them old headers and stuff, ain't gonna need none of that. Heads, need those. These headers. Y'all think I should keep the headers? Probably don't need those. And then this cat right here, guys. I don't know what made her think we cool, but she been hanging around. Dang, there goes another battery too. Golly, there's batteries everywhere. Yeah, let me figure out what I'm gonna do. Let me pick and choose, see what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna take these radiators to recycle. And the rest, I'm gonna just throw this stuff away, man. I ain't got time to deal with it. We'll see y'all in a minute. Well, we picked up most of the parts that we didn't need. Now we just gonna kind of clean this area out. That way I can walk through here. Be able to move around a little bit. We really need to move the El Camino, but I don't have no room, guys. Y'all already know. It's like Tetris parking cars over here, so really don't have no room. Nowhere to move the El Camino, but I might move it to our other property. I'm not sure. Just so we can, cause I need to pull the purple car out a little bit, just so I have some room to move around. The boat, I need that.
A lot of leaves.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a spider, son.
Where?
Right here in this country. It's a big. This is Daddy Longlegs, I think. Is that a Daddy Longlegs?
They're gonna Escalade, guy.
Copyright.
sink. We got enough room to move around. We'll clean up a little bit more off camera. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.